Today, we are starting a 4-day challenge. In this challenge, we will listen, learn, and grow together for 4 days. Each day, you will hear very simple English, one powerful life lesson, and a message to help you think better and live better. This is not only for learning English, this is also for improving your mindset and your life. So before we begin, please like this video, subscribe to our channel, and share it with someone who needs motivation today. This helps our channel grow and helps more people learn English. Now, relax and let's begin. Today, we start a powerful series called Focus on the Best. Transform your thinking, transform your life. In this series, you will hear 6 short life lessons. We use very simple English so you can understand easily, practice listening, and grow as a person. Lesson 1 begins now. Lesson 1. You become what you focus on. Let me ask you a simple question. Have you ever bought a new phone, new shoes, or a new car? After that, you start seeing the same thing everywhere. Why? Because your brain is focused on it. Your mind starts looking for it even when you are not thinking. Your brain works like Google. Whatever you search, it finds. If you think, I am unlucky, my life is hard, nothing good happens to me, your brain says, okay, let me find problems. But if you think, I am learning, I am growing, I am thankful today, your brain says, okay, let me find good things. This is not magic. This is focus. Your focus shapes your feelings. Your feelings shape your actions. Your actions shape your life. Real life example. 2 people work in the same company. Same job, same boss, same salary. Worker A says, my job is boring. My boss is bad. Worker B says, this job helps me learn. I am growing. One feels trapped. One feels strong. The job is the same, the focus is different. Gratitude changes focus. Gratitude does not mean your life is perfect. It means you choose to see what is still good. Maybe your day has 10 things. 8 are bad, 2 are good. If you focus only on the bad, you feel tired and angry. But if you say, at least I am healthy, at least I am learning, at least I have food, your energy changes, and energy changes everything. Final thought, Lesson 1. What you focus on grows. Do not focus on pain, focus on progress. Lesson 2. Protect your energy. Not everything needs your attention. Your energy is limited. Think of your mind like a phone battery. Every worry, argument, and comparison uses power. Social media fights, gossip, negative people, they steal your energy. Distraction is a silent thief. It steals your time and focus. Say no without guilt. When you say yes to small things, you say no to big dreams. It is okay to say, I can't talk now. I'm working on something important. This is not selfish. This is self-care. Final thought, Lesson 2. Protect your energy. Choose peace over drama. Choose focus over noise. Lesson 3. Build one thing. You can do anything, but you cannot do everything at the same time. Many people chase many dreams. Result, confusion and stress. Brick wall example. If you place bricks everywhere, you build nothing. But if you place bricks in one place, day by day, you build a wall. Bamboo tree lesson. A bamboo tree grows roots for years. Then suddenly it grows very fast. Your growth is the same. Final thought. Lesson 3. Focus on one goal. Build it slowly. Finish what you start. Lesson 4. Your environment shapes you. A seed cannot grow in bad soil. Your environment is people, videos, thoughts, habits. If you stay around negativity, you become negative. Change your environment slowly. One good video, one positive person, one inspiring page. Final thought. Lesson 4. Change your environment, change your life. Lesson 5. Energy is more important than time. Everyone has 24 hours, but energy decides results. 1 hour with focus is better than 5 hours tired. Build energy simply. Sleep well, drink water, move your body, avoid negative people, be thankful. Final thought. Lesson 5. Time is from the clock. Energy is from your soul. Lesson 6. Consistency beats perfection. You don't need to be perfect. You just need to show up again. Miss one day? It's okay. Quit forever? That's the problem. Small steps every day create big change. English example. Watch one short video, learn 5 words, write 3 sentences. Do this daily. You will improve. Final thought. Lesson 6. Consistency is stronger than talent. Thank you for listening today. If this video helped you, please like, subscribe, and comment. I choose consistency over perfection. We'll see you tomorrow with a new lesson. Until then, keep learning, keep growing, keep believing.